Great day, everyone. Welcome to another Weather Wherever Wednesday update. So glad you could join me. My name is Julian Gordon. I love to showcase a little bit of connection between music and video production, environmental justice, and of course, entrepreneurship. So I'd love to share you all some of the things that I've learned in school in North Carolina A&T State University. Proud alumni with the Aggie Pride. So, let you all know what's going on. This is tropicaltidbits.com. Tropical Tidbits is a great place to go for all of your weather related information. You'll find a lot of ways that you can see a lot of applications. Got the forecast models, got your different ensembles, different types of models, and you have even more dynamics for the atmosphere, change your region. So let me show you, you'll find here the description of what's going on. So this says initialized 18Z. That means Zulu time. It's the same as UTC. So this is 18 Zulu, June 26, 2024. And forecast hour, the 6th forecast hour, valid for 0 Zulu, Thursday, June 27th. So 0 Zulu for Eastern time. If we go to our converter, then we'll see Zulu time zone into the Eastern Daylight Time, Eastern Standard Time. So 0 Zulu is the same as 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So and then it's gonna go to 4 Zulu time, and it's gonna say 12 p.m., 12 a.m. rather, then 1 a.m. So that's how you're gonna convert your time for Zulu time. And then if you just type in Zulu to any time zone conversion, so you may see the UTC as well. All right, so for Thursday we're looking at a little bit of rain coming in for Atlanta. So you'll see it coming in here early in the AM, which we definitely need our rain. It's been super hot, very, very hot. So this is a great way to see the maps. You'll see a little bit of rainfall here in the green. Looks like it's not more than a couple inches of rain, but luckily we're getting some. And then you'll see on the West Coast, we got a low pressure system forming here. So you'll see how that develops. Friday, June 28th, looking into having a little bit more rainfall coming into Georgia, different parts of North and South Carolina. But look at this low pressure system in the northwest. We're getting quite a bit of storms here. So, and then you'll see the high pressure. So there's always going to be a low and then a high, a low and then a high. Low pressure, air moves into the low pressure systems. So these lines right here, these are going to be wind or pressure contours. So your pressure is going to be changing along these black lines. But then as you go around, and counterclockwise is going to be for the high pressure systems. I say clockwise, low pressure systems are moving anti-clockwise. High pressure systems are moving clockwise. So the wind will be moving clockwise along the high pressure, and the wind will be moving anti-clockwise along the low pressure system. Because when we have our hurricanes, hot humid air comes in from the south, and then we have our cyclonic system. So I wanted to keep on talking about this because you'll see a cyclone. Here's Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at this cyclone forming down here at the bottom. Luckily, we're getting some more rainfall. But down here at the bottom, look at this low pressure system. 997 millibars as it comes over the Yucatan Peninsula. Then it changes to 1,000 millibars, so it starts to dissipate a little bit, but it's still at 996. So that's what I'm talking about right here. And then as we move on, you'll see it going over the Gulf. So it says it's gonna get around 978 millibars. So if you don't know, around 1,000, a little bit more than 1,000, about 1,015 millibars is a good high pressure, normal high pressure day. That says about 1018. So that's a normal high pressure, clear skies typically. But 978, that means that the pressure is dropping over almost 30 millibars. So that's the way that we quantify our pressure changing. Sometimes you'll feel that in your knees. Sometimes those knees will start hurting. That's due to the pressure changing typically. Your body can feel those pressure changes. So this says 974 millibars. So we're definitely gonna wanna keep that in mind. And then if you look at your current storms, you'll be able to see that as well. So here is the Invest 94, and then it'll exactly what the tracks are predicted to show. So this is gonna show us 94L. If you keep on going to a different store, you got 95L. So that's getting in the Atlantic Ocean as well. And these are the tracks that you'll be able to see. You'll see exactly the millibars and have their big array of where the storm may go. So that's something that you want to keep a lookout for. We also have 98 West. So that's going to be in the Pacific. 98W. Look at this storm right here. 1,008 millibars, 1,004 millibars as it goes through, getting closer to Japan and Korea. So we're going to want to watch this. Got some friends from Malaysia, Taiwan. So we're going to want to look at that storm, and the pressure may get lower as it goes up. So it's still very warm waters. So shout out to Tropical Tidbits. This is a great resource to look at different storms. And be careful, those folks in the Western Pacific as well. Sorry, the Eastern Pacific. Yeah, the Western Pacific, sorry. It's getting late. So, that concludes. Don't want to go over 10 minutes for sure. It's been a long enough video. So let me know what you all think. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd like me to talk about, anything that you are excited about for the summer, or just any ways that you prepare for the hurricane season. So once again, my name is Julian Gordon, drumsanddrones.com, and take care. Much love to you all. Peace.